Probably got the miter saw and a dead battery or something. We're going to the car dealership. Oh, that was nice. We're going to the car dealership because the car is getting towed. So we're gonna take the van and make a pit stop out of it. Matt installed the shore power source and it's all wired up on the inside. And then we're gonna stop by IKEA because that's close to the dealership and get the countertops for the kitchen. One other thing we did today, this little baby. And I'm just gonna put a baby guard stopper on this sharp corner right here. Oh, and we installed the headliner shelf for some extra storage. All right, friends. Well, one more thing checked off. Let's go to IKEA. Good news and bad news. Bad news, we probably have to buy a new fuel injector, fuel pump on our other car. But the good news is we just found the exact countertop we wanted at IKEA, which we would have had to order online in the as-is section for 50 bucks.
And it only had one little dent in it, which we're probably gonna cut off anyway because it's a little too long. So yeah, 2 big thumbs up on that one.
There she is. All right. Now we gotta get home. What are you doing?
Getting a haircut tomorrow.
Matt's getting a haircut.
Oh, about the fan. So, frustrating week. I have not touched the van since our last video. Well, actually I touched it, but I mostly looked at it for 3 hours because I was trying to wrap my head around something.
Window
and that
frames.
Is framing windows. You think the hard part's putting them in, and I said it was the hardest thing. Not the case. For some reason, I can't wrap my head around frames. But I thought about it, and I got it. So, we're working on that.
And that is where we're at. But we have a 3-day weekend, and a lot of time to shoot some video. So, here's what we're working with. See you in a second.
First off, always important to have a clean workspace, obviously. But, on another note, yoga mats are key. Fun to use for a yoga mat.
True.
Open box knife, key.
Open box knife on the floor.
Random strip screws, key.
Also, that's the brand new IKEA rug that we bought for our house, which is now covered.
Oh, they're gonna say about the bamboo floor. The only thing that I've done correctly in all of this is put the drill on the mat. That's the only thing I did right. This is going to be the next hiccup because we brought up the floor so much. When we go to mount it, it's going to be really hard to get a tube around here.
And if we didn't show you this already, this is the 20-gallon water tank that fits custom over the wheel well.
But what I was going to get at is, so as you can see, our windows are a mess from this side. Actually, they're a mess from all sides. But you need something to anchor some sort of window frame to. So you have your window frame, which goes around it. Seems very self-explanatory. And then you have your window trim, which is what faces you in the van. And I was confused about it. Maybe you're not. Maybe some person's like, you moron, it's really simple.
Maybe, but there's like no videos on it. We looked forever.
True. I think I found 40 Hours of Freedom. Sick shot, by the way. And then a window trim will fit right in here. Right around here. And it's going to sit inside but outside the 1/8 inch. So that's where we're at.
Is this going to be easy?
Don't say that word around me.
All right, first of all, I've never worn a cuter outfit, but we just cut out the wall to fit the window, and Matt's now just fitting it for an electrical socket.
Stupid, because it didn't account for bed height.
Fun times. And then we just have to do it again for the other window. And then finish the rest of the van, and that's it. That's all we have left. Okay, I don't know why this feels like such a big win, but this feels like it's going to be home-like. There's a wall with an outlet, and there's almost a frame. I'm super excited. It's been a frustrating week, so we needed a small win. I don't know if we're gonna tackle this tonight, probably tomorrow. I think we're gonna get up early. Matt's bleeding again. All right, well, what I was going to show you was that even though it really sucks how hot it is, this is what the sky looks like right now. Yeah. Good morning. It's pretty early, 7 o'clock. We're gonna grab a quick coffee, and we have a couple hours this morning to work on the van. And then Matt's gonna cut all of his hair off. I still have an issue looking there versus there, so maybe one day I'll get it, who knows. I'm also gonna try to animate our to-do list today. We'll see if I can do it.
So,
What are you doing today? It's not super hot this morning, but it is very, very humid. But we got another wall up and 2 outlets and a cigarette lighter. I'm gonna fall over. I think I can still adhere to YouTube guidelines if I play a clip of that song that's like, I've got the power. So I'm gonna try it. I've got the power. What's up? So Matt got his hair cut. We've changed outfits again, or at least I have. But you guys have to see his hair. So quick story. I'm trying to open this can of kombucha. Quick story. This is actually our dating anniversary this weekend, and this is how Matt's hair was when we first started dating. So that's kind of sweet. Anyway, I'm excited for you guys to see it. I freaked out. It looks really good. I loved his long hair, but he just was jealous of my haircut, so he had to get one too. Let's show him this hair, Maddie. Where are you? Da, 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 da. Looks so good.
but I feel like I kind of look like a cockatoo when I do this. And sawdust obviously comes out.
We picked the hottest time of the day to restart working, but we're gonna put up the rest of the walls.
This piece, already cut.
Nice. All right, here we go.
Walls are done. It's hot. Everything's hot. Don't
Look at me.
You know what? Don't ever come to Phoenix. There's nothing here. I don't even know why we live here. Cool. So I think we're gonna put up. We got oak for our shelves. Well, no, actually we didn't get oak for our shelves. We got these oak pieces to let the shelves rest on and anchor to. And these are marking where these struts are going across.
For our beam design.
For our beam design.
Whoa.
But yeah, it's coming together. I'm definitely feeling less frustrated, feeling a little bit more creative. We got these really cool string lights that we're gonna hang up underneath the beam, so it's gonna be kind of like an ambient lighting. That's the right word. And yeah, we're gonna have to go to Lowe's again, which is my favorite place on the planet.
Look at that neck.
You guys have never seen this neck before?
Your mom's gonna cry.
Oh, 100%. Also, did I ever tell you never order C.R. Lawrence windows?
Yeah, we've said that a couple times. Okay, so we're gonna do the beams for the cabinets right now. Right?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do it. We did one of our starter test videos while we were in quarantine about our favorite brands. Matt was talking about how he loves his outer known shorts, the volley shorts. He loves them, he wears them every single day. So now, every single pair of his volley shorts has Sikaflex on it. So we're gonna have to get him some more, so when we're out of this whole thing and back in public, he has clean shorts again. Right, Matthew? Will you turn to the side so we can see the stains on your shorts?
If you came home and your jersey wasn't dirty, then you didn't really play baseball.
Baseball. This is going to be very hard for anyone else to appreciate, but we just fit the most wonky piece so perfectly into the ceiling. Do you see this, little baby? You have wood in your eyes?
So much.
Yeah, same. And sweat.
Good morning, everyone. It is Saturday. Today we're gonna make some window fittings, covers, trims, the whole shebang. Gone in and figured out how we're gonna do this. So yesterday, I don't know if we updated you, but we got all the walls done. A little gap in the ceiling, that's gonna be fixed. And then this one as well. So, pretty fun day. Pretty hot day. I think it's supposed to top out at 108, which is always perfect weather for van building. But yeah, we're super stoked. Gonna get, hopefully, the ceiling in, too. Lots of stuff to do. Always something to do. Anyways, we'll keep you updated, and yeah.
I forgot to charge the camera yesterday, so we're gonna have to catch you a little bit later, so I'm just using my phone to shoot this intro so I have a transition when I go to edit this later. But big news, I have a new work outfit. Oops. Check it out. Anyway, we're gonna make a quick smoothie here and then go outside and help Matt. I have frozen bananas, ice cubes, the rest of the homemade cashew milk, and it needs a little bit more liquid, so I'm adding some coconut water, and then we're going to throw some acai powder. Acai powder means this thick purple delight right here. Oh, and I'm gonna spill everywhere.
Ta-da!
Whoa! Holy smokes, I should work out more often. Do you want a sip of this delicious smoothie? Alright. Also, I forgot to charge the other camera, so we're rocking iPhone right now. Oh, moment of truth? That looks so good. Oh my god. A little tweak. Here, I'm gonna help you. I'm turning this off. What's up, everybody? We're back. in business with the camera. And I just finished puttying the walls. Matt ran out of wood to finish the second window frame, so he went to do that. So I am gonna sand down all of the spots that I put the wood filler, and then we're gonna paint the wall, which is crazy. All right, sanding time. It is so insanely hot today, so I can't get that much footage because everything overheats. But we're finishing up painting. We got the walls up in the window frames, so there's an update coming shortly. Oh. That was really cool, you guys.
What's up, everyone? It's been a busy day. We got a beautiful day out here in Phoenix, 108. Lots of sweat. No tears today, actually. No blood either. I didn't get hurt. But lots of progress. A lot of small things. Hooked up the AC ports. We finished the windows, the trim, and the window sills. That worked out really well. Alright, we're back. Mel sitting on the swivel seat.
Ta-da!
Some Havelock wool up there. But yeah, this is what we got done. Some window sills and trim. These are poplar 1x3, which means 3/4 by I think 2.5. Then we put in our AC power. So what I read is these guys, this is a 20 amp breaker because we're gonna run a convective stove. This is the first outlet on our whole series of AC current. So when you come here, if there is more than a 20 amp surge, this GFCI will blow, which prevents any of this one and this one, and eventually the end to our convective stove.
Induction cooktop.
Induction cooktop. I keep getting that mixed up. I will say wiring outlets may seem confusing, but it is pretty simple. You have your ground, which is a copper, and with AC, it's not threaded wire. It is, or excuse me, braided wire. It's just straight copper, which over time will wear out and become brittle, and you'll have to replace it. But for the sake of a van, I'm not too worried about that.
This might be where this video ends, so, you know, stay tuned. I wish my energy level could portray how truly excited I am for all of our progress, but I'm just super beat. It's hot. So hot. But, as usual, thank you for watching. It takes a lot of effort to 1, build a van, and 2, edit the videos, so hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel because no one likes a halfway done DIY. You're gonna have to watch it all the way through to the end. And let me know in the comments if you like my Patagonia overalls. I'm obsessed with them.
Or my haircut.
Oh yeah. Also register to vote. Just again.
Yeah, register to vote.